It's not looking too good, buddy.
Nope.
Oh. Well, it's pouring rain. Although we are getting a little break. And we were going to go outside today.
Yep.
We were going to head outside and do a cooking show, but I think we ought to just stay in the house today. What do you think?
Yeah, stay in the house.
All right, let's get back in the house. It's a little bit warmer. Oh.
Welcome back, buddy.
All right, buddy. What have you been doing? Got everything? Looks like you got all the lids cut off.
Yes.
What else have you been doing? What's that?
Chopping onions.
You chopped up an onion?
Yeah.
Cool. And
we did the pork chops.
Yeah, chopped up the pork chops. Looks like you got the beef Smokies done.
Yes.
So, what are you chopping up now?
Peppers.
Peppers. So we got a whole bag here of sweet mini peppers. All right, I'll let you get back to work, and we'll get back and start cooking up this here chili. A lot of prep work, huh?
Yes.
All right.
We had to get the bacon.
Oh, and we got to do our bacon, huh? All right, Chef, get to work.
Yeah.
All right, Chef, what's the first thing we're going to do?
Cook the bacon.
All right, let's get that bacon on the stove. So, our bacon is done. Josh, right there.
Yep.
We got some nice crisp bacon. Gotta try some. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to cook up the pork chops.
Yep.
This is pork loin. Go ahead. Dump them in, Bubba. So we're going to want to, we drained some of the fat from the pork chops. And put a little bit more in there. We'll get this going, huh, Josh?
Yeah.
Go ahead and stir it around, big guy. It's going to be some good chili when we get done. So now we got our stew pot out. And Josh, while you're doing that, what we did is we added our pepper. We've got pepper, paprika, our cumin's in there. We haven't put the chili powder yet. Our white pepper was in there. Smoked paprika's in there. Cinnamon was in there. We haven't put that in. We're going to want some onion powder. Okay, what do you got cooking, buddy?
I'm doing ground beef.
Ground beef. Got the ground beef going?
Yep.
We're going to get this stuff here chopped up. We're going to grind this bacon up. We got our pork chops in. Get that ground up. And then we got to ground up our lamb, right?
Yes.
All right, let's get to cooking. Okay, it's looking pretty good. You ready to get this in here?
Yes.
All right, where is my hot pad? Done that before. Pick up a cast iron pan. This handles could get pretty hot.
You're dead.
All right, turn that off. If you're a home cook, I absolutely hate these. I'd rather have a flame. All right, so let's get this. We're gonna get that stirred up. We're gonna get that cooking. It's gonna loosen up. All right, so we're gonna let this cook up for a while, and we'll have a good chili. Okay. Okay, what we just added, this here, that is better than beef bouillon.
Yeah.
We're gonna get that, and we're gonna get that stirred down in there. This is going to cook for, actually it's gonna simmer for a good 4 hours. So we're gonna let this thing cook. we're going to taste it about every hour. And that kind of tells you how much heat you want to put in it. We want to try and keep around, what do they call them, fire alarms? Maybe 1 fire alarm, half a fire alarm. Mrs. Wilson doesn't particularly care for hot chili, so how hot do you want it? Do you want it real, real hot?
No.
No? Alright, so we're going to kind of keep it, and it all comes down to chili powder. How much chili powder you're going to put in it. So we are going to, well, look at there. Add the beans. We completely forgot our beans, Bubba. Thank God you're the chef and I'm only the cameraman. Alright, now we got our beans. So let's get that mixed up, stirred up in there. Yeah, look at that. Well, I'll tell you what, it's got a little bit of everything in there. All right, Josh, I'll see you in an hour. We're going to try this, okay? Mm-hmm. It has been, it's now 4 o'clock, so it's been 2 hours, buddy. You ready to taste it? So it has been simmering. Let me put that in there. Oh, would you look at that? Wow. Now that is some chili right there. You can see we got our pork right there. We got some those little Smokies. There's the Smokies right there. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, got that lid. I can't see you now. So we got. There you go. Okay, a little taster. Other than it being the temperature of the sun.
That's way too hot.
Okay.
Well,
that's good. That's good, Bubba. Here. Gotta let you have a little taste. Okay, tell me how it tastes. It's hot.
no.
Huh?
No.
Does it taste good?
Yeah.
That is good. Okay. So we got about another 2 hours. So we'll be back with you.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Woo. It is now, I'm looking at the clock. It's 25 to 6. We have about 30 minutes to go.
Yeah.
We want to bring you in and show you. This is what starts off as real thick. Would you look at that? Those are there's your Smokies. We've got diced tomatoes, stewed tomatoes in there. According to Mama, this has a nice little bit of heat in it, Josh. Mm-hmm. But for you and me, it's not hot at all.
No.
So, okay. We're going to try and put all the ingredients down in the description. You want to put the ingredients, what we used?
Yes.
And we will look at this big old pot. So, hey, Bubba J has some chili. You want to invite some people over?
Sure.
So this is what we do on a cold, rainy day. We make some chili. So our next time we'll be back, we're going to be doing us some chili tasting. So hang tight. Don't go away.
No.
It's done.
It's done.
So we have been cooking for the last 4 hours and 20 minutes, and I think we came up with a pretty good chili, huh?
Yeah.
You can see we've got, there's your pork, I keep forgetting what they call those, little sausages.
Yeah, sausages.
We've got lamb. We put ground lamb in this one, and all the vegetables. So a good bowl of chili. You can't have chili without a little cheese. So this is the moment we have all been waiting for. Oh. Just the right amount of little kick in your throat.
I told you.
Told you it was a little spicy.
Oh.
You hit that jalapeno just right. It's
Just a little bit of jalapeno. So, you want to try it?
No, I'm good.
You think it's too hot?
Yeah.
No.
It is kind of hot because it's been cooking, but
It'll get hotter as it rests. It's good though.
that came out good.
I have a
Put it there, buddy.
little problem with heat too.
So, perfect dinner on a cold, wet, rainy night. So, we're gonna sit down and have some chili.
Can you like?
Yeah.
It's too hot
So-
for me.
Again, this is kind of fun just to put it together. It's kind of hot, the temperature of the sun, because it's been cooking. So, hey, we're gonna have dinner. If you enjoyed Bubba J's cooking show, click down below, give us a thumbs up, and we're gonna try and come up with some more cooking. In the meantime, from Raptor Pack Adventures, travel more, stress less, and we will see you guys on the next video, huh? Peace out.